What's going on, newbies? Happy hump day. Mike. Clean out the beer fridge here. Got a little pistachio. Says on there, what was it? Something 20. 11, 20, 21, 20, whatever. But hey. Anyways. Probably heading up to phase 3 this weekend, Saturday. If anyone's in the neighborhood, probably be there when it opens. So, feeling froggy, hop on up, say hi, have a beer. You know what I'm saying? Oh, might make it. All right, newbies, cheers. Happy hump day. Ooh, that son bitch cold. Have a great day, newbies. Cheers.